After you get your Levoit Smart Air Purifier up and running, there's plenty more to play around with. Let's briefly cover a few of the smart features available to you. On the VSync app, you have access to all the usual controls. With a tap, you can turn on the air purifier, adjust fan speeds, and check the filter life. At night, turn on sleep mode without getting out of bed. While you're at it, turn the display lights off or the night light on. Set timers for 1 to 24 hours. You can also schedule specific times for your air purifier to turn on and off. We hope your Core 200S helps you keep your environment healthy and happy.